Hello, everybody. Welcome to Enlightened Investor. I'm Dr. Joshua Lewis from Bradley University, and that there's Mike Mahoney from Cypress Asset Management. We are a team for all things financial and economics. And today we've got a Dimensional Funds just came out with a new fund. It's kind of surprising, but it's maybe not surprising since what's going on with sort of the tension between China and the United States. They came out with a new fund called the Emerging Markets X China Core Equity Holdings. So, it's kind of interesting, Mike. Why would a leading mutual fund company, a company that uses evidence-based investing, which we use, why would they come out with a fund like this?
I think it's going back to the beginning when they first had an emerging market fund. They didn't include China. This goes back some years. And then with the incredible growth that China's occurred on the global platform, they changed their mind. They added it. And now they're going to still have a fund that has it. And it has, like, when you buy that fund, it has 30% of it is China because it's a big player, right, in the emerging market world. But with the recent events that have occurred this year in China politically, I mean, they're cracking down on the exchange of information and freedom of information and just numerous areas within the country and academics and trade that they thought they would give us, advisors and consumers, the choice of picking whether you want to have exposure to China. So it's an issue I'm going to bring up with each of my clients because maybe we want to completely buy the fund and exclude it, or maybe we want to have exposure to it and just own half of it and buy the other half. But I think it's an important issue. And like we looked quickly, we just did this on the fly today to kind of crack look this out. But I pulled this up. This is Invesco. They have a Dragon China Golden ETF. The ticker is PGJ. And year to date, they're down 38%. So, I mean, it's pretty amazing. Telling that the market is concerned about this because, think about it. When you have capitalism, you need freedom of information and exchange. And when you start to suppress all that, it's easy to cook the books and socialism and numerous issues. So, timely topic.
Yeah, let me just add one more thing here. It's kind of interesting. Right now, how large is China's overall equity market in the global economy? It's
like 5%,
right?
And the U.S. is 57%.
Yeah. So,
and they're 20% of the world population. So, I mean, the potential, I get it. The potential for growth is huge there, right?
Right.
We were talking about the, NEO, you were getting to buy that stock. I am concerned because I think when in the end, when you don't have all this freedom of exchange and you still have a communistic country running this, it's probably not going to be free capitalism.
That's right. Well, folks, I would say this, if this is one of the decisions you have to make individually, right? Like you need to sit down, do I want to be in this higher risk, higher return market, but it has all these externalities of lack of freedom, Xi Jinping is putting people in jail, all kinds of things that we wouldn't necessarily accept over here.
Right.
But is it something that you want to do?
Well, and I'll add this. I mean, when I thought about this from a portfolio standpoint. So say you have a portfolio of 60% equities, 40% fixed income. I would typically weight about 40% of that 60, which would be 24% to international. And of that, I would only have 6% of the whole portfolio in emerging markets. So
a smaller amount.
It's a small slice, but still, again, it's a slice. What do you want to be part of China, or maybe even if we're not even talk about on a performance level, maybe it's just a moralistic level. Do you want to have exposure to that?
Right.
So it's something to think about.
That's right. Well, thanks for watching today, folks. This is one of our quick takes.
Quick take.
Feel free to.
Wait a minute, no sound effect?
Oh yeah, this is this is ex-China, right? Ex-China.
Perfect. Okay.
So let us know if you want to talk a little further on this interesting dilemma, right?
Yeah, we'll talk about it more.
Yep. Very good. More to come. Thanks, folks.